Anthropology in the 21st century can't escape the hardship of the lives of its research subjects, who have been disproportionately raked through the coals of globalizing processes. Ever larger proportions of the world's population survive precariously today in refugee camps, rural wastelands, zones of ecological devastation, shantytowns, housing projects, tenements, prisons, and homeless encampments. We face an urgent challenge to combat useless suffering. We need to document, analyze, and render visible to a wider public the ways large-scale social, political, and economic forces devastate individuals and their communities. The commitment of social medicine and public health to serving vulnerable populations, combined with anthropology's intensive research method of participant observation fieldwork, and its analytical sensibility of cultural relativism, positions us, as scholars, to develop a theoretical and practical understanding of the ways inequality creates politically structured suffering.